Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about if else in C++. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is to create a variable called number equals 0. We're going to read enter some number. Let's use a and now let's use sing and number. So we got to this part. Now what we're gonna do though is to try to make something. So let's change this to temp instead of number. Let's change to temp, so we could kind of read the temperature, as you guys can see. So with the temperature, let me see here. We need to work with Fahrenheit. So let's say 0 Celsius to Fahrenheit. It's 32. Okay, 32. So let's go back. So let's say if the temperature is equals 0. Actually, let's do greater or equal. Oh, let's say enter the temperature and Fahrenheit. I don't even know if that's correct. I'm in Fahrenheit. Yeah, I think it is. Okay. So if the temperature is actually 32, 32. So we can print something like if the temperature is greater or equal 32. We could print something like the weather is let me see here. Not freezing. We could put that, not freezing today. Okay, we could print that. And now we need to kind of have a other option. If this is false, if the temperature is not equal or greater than 32, it means the temperature is it's freezing. So we need to have a condition to that. So we need to use else. Okay. So we need to put a else here, so we could put another message here. So the weather, let me see, the weather is very cold, something like that. Okay. Okay, we need to put a and L here, and then L here. So you guys can see that there's definitely something here that you guys should pay attention, because I don't know if my flow of logic is correct, but you guys can see it here. So let's say enter the temperature. Let's say 32, which is the weather's not freezing today, but it's still very, very cold. Let's try again with 25. So the weather is very cold. 25 Fahrenheit. So it's, let me see how much Celsius. -3 Celsius degree. Yeah, very cold. So you could do the opposite though. We could start by the lesser temperature. So let's say if temperature is less or equal to 32, then it's freezing today. And we could see the weather says it's not cold today. Let's say the weather is good, which is not true, but you could put this as an example. Let's say, yeah, we need to put a quote here. Let's go back to execute this program. So if we put let's say 32, the weather is freezing today. Very, very cold. If you put, let's say 45, the weather is good. Okay, but we need more specific. We need a more specific program, which we'll learn to do this in the next video. Okay, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.